Many fresh graduates get into companies without much thinking. You might be aware companies these days ask this question: is this candidate suitable for our company culture? So if you are a fresh graduate, you must also ask a question. Am I picking that dream job or the dream company as per my needs? If you're graduating in the next few months to few years, this video is for you. By the way, this could be relevant even for the already working professionals. A little extra preparation could help you pick that dream job or the dream company very wisely. So let's begin. Step 1. Ask, what are my current needs or core needs? Do I need a place which offers great growth for young minds like me? Or is it the entrepreneurial culture with least restrictions? Or am I looking at the name or fame of the company that looks catchy on my resume? Answer these questions to start with. Step 2. What kind of a company should I choose? Should I choose an emerging startup which could be really promising in the future? Or should I get into a mid-sized company with decent goodwill? Or choose a superstar company in the country or in the entire world? So make a list and start screening now. Step 3. Give a thought about the risks. Startups may not always fly due to funding and other practical challenges. Am I ready to take that risk? Also, be aware that training could be the last thing on their plate. Your learning could be at stake. The next one, you might get lost in the office politics and resistance to change. Generally, this is seen in the mid-sized to big companies. And less recognition in big organizations might be a risk if you love recognition. Well, give a deep thought and get answers to these questions before you join any company. All the best for your job hunt. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Keep learning. Happy learning. See you soon.